I've owned this truck for close to 20 years, and now she's finally getting the attention she deserves. In this video, I will get you up to speed on where it all started, where we are at now, and where we are headed. This is Fool's Gold, my 84 C10. Doggy, is she loud. Now let's get into some of the specifics. So as I mentioned before, I've had this truck a really long time, and these are some of the oldest pictures I have proof of that. It is a 1984 Chevy C10, and it is about as bare bones of a truck that GM would sell you back then. It came off the lot with a stove bolt 250 inline 6 that I later swapped for a small block 350, and it still made it to the original turbo 350 trans, and it puts the power to the ground with a 10 bolt and a set of 410 gears. This truck also came equipped with your standard bench seat, was finished in desert sand metallic, sail windows, a terrible wiper system, especially here in Florida, and my favorite of all, the AM radio. I've always been passionate about this truck, but it's just kind of lingered for a while and been on the back burner as I've made my way through different phases of life. But last year, I set a hard goal. I wanted to make it to Rod Run. But as you don't see on the channel, my Road to Rod Run series. A late start, that paired with some major part shipping delays, some minor distractions, and an uphill battle fighting the elements, building this thing in the driveway. So with all these factors combined, I had to scrap my plans for a series and showing the truck at Thanksgiving Rod Run, but this should free me up and give me a pretty lax schedule to have the truck ready for the spring show. It also gives me some time to get some better edits and bring you guys along for the ride with me. Got a solid start on a solid truck, and from here, we're going to start putting the suspension back together and get this thing back on its wheels. So that's a look at Fool's Gold, my 84 C10. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to stick around because we got big plans for the truck on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.